Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse face with cleanser. Apply toner to skin. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Microdermabrasion cleans impurities and excess sebum in the pores. Recommended suction setting: set the suction intensity based on individual tolerance. Press the handle onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the handle and then move to the next spot. This applies to the forehead, nose, and chin. On the cheek, beginning at the chin, connect the applications on 2 to 3 spots in a line, repeating the process until you reach the temple. Glass tube, enhance cleansing effectiveness. During operation, cover the mini hole on the handle with your finger to prevent loss of suction. Press the handle onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move the handle towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Repeat until the entire targeted area is covered. This applies to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severely blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be applied. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Spray bottle, hydrating and moisturizing. Prepare the spray bottle with a mixture of toner and serum in a 10:1 ratio. Spray upward from the chin. Spray towards the hairline on the forehead. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.